Okay, so good morning to everyone. Today we will be studying about and obviously an overview about one of the core subjects of the computer science, that is about we will take an overview about what is an operating system, or in short we can say as what is OS. I'm damn sure that you guys have been using the OS in your everyday life. Some of you might know, or some of you might don't know it. So don't worry. We will tell you what is OS, how it works, what is do. So, before telling what is OS, let's take an overview about what we're going to study in this subject. So first of all, we will talk about introduction part. Introduction basically what is OS, what are the functions of operating systems, how many types of operating systems we have available, what it can do, how far it can do. That will be covered in the introduction part. Second comes about the process scheduling. Basically, we can say that how the OS manages its tasks. We will talk about it in the process scheduling. How many types of process schedulings are there? What is process? Then let's go to the third one. Then we will be talking about the process communication. How these processes communicate with each other when required. Means we can say that how the two tasks can communicate with each other if they require their help. Then at fourth, we will go for the memory management. What memory management, in short, what memory management says. Memory management basically how the OS, how the OS manages its memory, or the memory whatever it is available in our hardware. Then fifth one, obviously we will last and talk about the input-output devices management. And in this input-output device management, we will be talking about how the OS try to communicate with the keyboard or with the keyboard monitor, or basically the input-output devices, right? So this is what we're going to learn about. This is what we're going to learn in our operating systems subjects, which is one of the most important and one of the core subjects in the field of computer science. So moving further, we will talk about the introductory part and what is OS. The question arises, what is an operating system? Before going into the how it works, but what is it? There is not a complex definition of OS. It's just a simplest definition that what it does, it acts as a mediator between us and the computer hardware. What is OS? it is basically used as a mediator, or it is a mediator in between us, that is user, or in between computer, in between user and the computer hardware. So what it does is that